In this video, we're going to show you how to upload courses to LearnWorlds step by step so you can get your online courses live and selling quickly. By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to get started. So stay tuned because we'll also be sharing some alternatives that might be better suited for your goals, and we've got a special offer for you. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need is a LearnWorlds account, so head over to their website and create one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, the dashboard is where everything starts. From here, you can easily upload and manage your courses. Next, click on the Courses tab in the sidebar. You'll see an option to Add New Course. Clicking on this takes you to a page where you can start building your course. You'll be able to add a title, description, and choose a category for your course. This is key to keeping everything organized. The next thing you'll need to do is upload your course content. This is where LearnWorlds really shines. You can upload videos, PDFs, and even audio files. To add a video, simply click Add New Lesson, then select Video and upload your file. You can either upload from your computer or embed from a platform like YouTube or Vimeo. Once you have your content uploaded, the next thing you'll want to do is arrange your lessons. LearnWorlds allows you to create a course structure with chapters and lessons. Drag and drop the lessons into the order you want, making it super easy to organize your content for your students. The fourth thing to remember is to set up your pricing. You can choose whether to offer your course for free, at a fixed price, or as a subscription. This flexibility is great for different types of courses and pricing models. Just make sure you set up payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe, which LearnWorlds integrates with seamlessly. Now, let's talk about the design. LearnWorlds offers a variety of customizable templates, so you can give your course a professional look. This is important because first impressions matter, and a polished, well-designed course can boost your sales. After your course is ready, it's time to hit publish. But before you do, take a moment to preview the course. You'll want to make sure everything looks good, all the files are uploaded correctly, and the course flows smoothly. Once you're satisfied, click Publish and your course is live. But here's something important. While LearnWorlds is a solid choice, it's not the only option out there. In fact, there are some great alternatives that might work even better depending on your specific goals. If you're looking for something with more advanced marketing tools or better user engagement features, you'll want to check out the software linked in the description. By the way, we've got an exclusive extended free trial to LearnWorlds available for you, but we've also included some amazing alternatives that are worth considering. These competitors are offering free trials as well, and through our link, you'll get the best free trial along with exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. So, to recap, upload your course, add your content, arrange your lessons, set your price, customize your design, and hit publish. LearnWorlds makes it all easy, but if you're looking for a better fit for your goals, we've got you covered with some top alternatives. Make sure to check out the links in the description for the best deals and trials. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your course creation.